Monty. I was nominated to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Justin Bieber and Nash Greer. Okay, so I nominate Zoe Ann, Natalia Schroeder, and Jenna Sandler, and everyone else who watches this video, okay? Give back, guys! Okay, guys, you can help donate and go to the website. I will put that in the description box below, and you can go on the website and help donate to people who have ALS, and every dollar counts, so do that.